Here's the thing, like I had to go digging for this graphic because like I haven't talked about sports and weather in the same breath in quite some time. So Providence Park, Wednesday night, it'll be a really warm day. So right around 7 o'clock, it's still going to be in the low 80s. By the time we get to about 9 o'clock, expecting clear skies, certainly. No rain to worry about here. It'll still be warm in the mid 70s, likely even through about 9 o'clock. Yeah, temperatures well above normal the next few days. Also considering what's the chance of seeing that smoke return? We're not expecting it to return to the same extent that it did a couple weeks ago. Remember when we were dealing with unhealthy to hazardous air quality concerns. This time around, we're introducing some of that wildfire smoke coming up from the south because our wind direction is going to be changing. We're already dry today. Easterly winds today, hot temperatures today, red flag warning for Medford today. But when we get that wind out of the south, we will be bringing in some of that wildfire smoke back into the valley. But again, not to the same extent that we saw a couple weeks ago. This will be closer to about 10,000 feet or so. So you'll notice it'll be hazier, and in some areas you may notice a change in your air quality. Right now it is in the good category. So let's examine our wind gusts so far today. One of the reasons for that red flag warning for our neighbors to the south, Medford, gusts now up to about 32 miles per hour. Top wind gusts so far for us in the valley anywhere between about 20 to 25 miles per hour, a little bit stronger out towards the coast, 28. But it's the wind direction, that offshore flow, that's drying things out and heating things up in a big way. So Kalama is one of the cooler places for us, especially when you compare it to the coast, where temperatures there right now are about 10 degrees warmer. Kalama at 79 degrees. Breezy out there on the Columbia River. How about our temperature in Portland? Here's your view. Portland downtown from our Subaru camera, 84 degrees. Clear skies out there. Your sunset time, that'll be 6:55. Wind right now is out of the east at 14 miles per hour. So again, when you compare this to what we saw Labor Day, nothing like it because our wind speed is not nearly as strong. Wind gusts that day were up to 50 miles per hour. Let's talk about our fire weather danger though. Noticing Portland kind of fluctuating between about 3 to 4. Tuesday and Wednesday. By the time we get to Wednesday, we'll see fire danger down for everyone. But it'll be tomorrow. Tomorrow is what we're going to watch because we're still dealing with some windy conditions and still very dry and hot too. So let's take a look at that wind direction. Switch around. We're under high pressure. As soon as this changes on Tuesday, wind will be out of the south. There goes that wildfire smoke again. Most of this really happening in the upper levels of our atmosphere. Here we go into Thursday. Thursday still dealing with that more or less that southwesterly flow. So you'll notice some hazier skies out there. But look, Friday and Saturday, that wind direction changes. It'll be more onshore. So then any little bit of smoke that's left over is going to be transferring over to the east side of the Cascades. We'll be monitoring your air quality as we go along each day. Tomorrow, back up to 85. As soon as we get to Wednesday, 86. Not much cooler really until we get to this weekend, and by then it'll be in the low to mid 70s.
Okay, looking forward to that. Thanks, Natasha. Yes. Coming up.